Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Govee Smart Table Lamp 2S. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and update your smart table lamp. Maybe you feel like it's a bit unresponsive, or maybe perhaps you just want to make sure that the firmware is up to date. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into the Govee Home app. Next, click on your table lamp. Afterwards, click on the gear icon on the top right hand corner. Then on this page here, you want to scroll down and then click on firmware version. So this is where you can go ahead and click on upgrade, and you can see it's now going to go ahead and update my Govee Smart Table Lamp 2S. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and update your Govee Smart Table Lamp 2S. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.